Hello everyone, welcome back to our World on Wheels. It's 4:30 in the morning and we are heading to Muthyala Maduvu, which is about 25 kilometers from Electronic City. One can take the route of Electronic City, Chandapura and Anekal, which is the main road. However, I am taking the interior roads of Pulimavu, Jigni as I am cycling today. Setting up the destination as Muthyala Maduvu, I ended up nowhere, and I realized I should cycle 10 kilometers extra. I'm not a professional in cycling, I do it occasionally. Finally, we are here. There is an in-house hotel which provides accommodation also, but it is temporarily closed, and it's got some stunning views of the valley. It's about 300 steps to get down to the waterfalls, and you usually see water only in rainy and winter season. No exaggerations, it's a tiny waterfall amidst a beautiful valley. There's another stream which flows across a Shiva temple and hiking through the valley. I had visited this place a lot of times but couldn't explore it much. With the time constraint, it's same even today. I have to take the U-turn and head back. The sun has come up and I've started to get tired. Hope you liked watching. Until next time, this is Shamit signing off.